Okay, we'll get started here. Good. Good?
Yes, Doc.
Yeah. Your side face me, please. This. Then you top knee.
Oh.
Big hug now. Scoot out just a little bit.
Oh.
Excellent. Your head? Yeah.
Great.
Stay right there.
I know. Nice. Oh, great.
Excellent. One more side this way. Good?
So hi, this is my third session. So I came here last September 23 because of my scoliosis. And after even just one session, I felt better sleep, better posture, and I think this is a must-try experience because even in just one session, really felt the improvements. So yeah, I'm looking forward to more sessions with Doc, and look forward to better improvements also. So thank you.
Kim, I'm a chiropractor with over 20 years experience, including work with the United States Navy, and I founded Well Balanced Chiropractic Wellness Center based in Taguig. Do you suffer from chronic pain, muscle aches, headaches, and other health problems that prevent you from doing the things you need and love to do? Well, these can be caused by a misalignment of your spine. When your spine is misaligned, it can cause pain in many areas of your body, reduce your range of motion and mobility, and can even cause other health problems like sleep issues, sciatica, and many more. With our world-class clinic and facilities, we can help you with these problems by providing safe, effective, and pain-free chiropractic care to realign your spine, improve your posture, and help you feel, move, and live better.
I have lower back pain. So right after my first session, I immediately feel relieved.
You'll be fine when your spine's aligned. Be one of the thousands of patients we've helped and let our team of health experts help you achieve optimum health today. Contact us and invest in your health now.